I'll get into the courses at the end. Uh, so look, there are different ways to hack the financial system. You need a trust. I can't help you unless you get a trust. I just can't help you because you can take things from your person, like you could, and other business entities like an LLC or trust or whatever. You could build up the credit for them, massively. Turn your credit cards into gold coins. Buy, U.S. minted gold coins from a reputable dealer or eBay. Get the coins to show up at your house. Go down and take them to the coin dealer, turn them into cash, take the cash, put it into your bank account of your trust. You see, I had a person ask me a good question. They said, "Well, what if I already have a business? I could just, use all the credit cards through payment gateway straight into the trust." I'm like, "Yeah, but they're going to block you because I tried that." You know what I mean? Like that would be so easy, but they can shut down your payment gateway from that